Still stuck with slow, outdated software? Your systems don't need a total rebuild. They need the right team to make them work better. At the Farber Consulting Group Inc., we specialize in upgrading what you already have without starting from scratch. Our expert developers help with custom .NET software, MS Access, and Visual FoxPro Modernization School Server and MySQL Optimization, ERP and CRM systems tailored to your workflow, remote DBA services, and cloud-ready migration. We've helped businesses rescue broken apps, speed up slow systems, and cut downtime, all without disrupting day-to-day operations. No full-time hires, no wasted rebuilds, just faster software, smarter processes, and real results. If your legacy tools are holding you back, let's modernize them cleanly, quickly, and with minimal risk. Visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765. If this helped you, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more tech fixes made simple.